naman, okay? Go ahead, lie down. Sige, it's okay. Relax. Relax, sandali. Sandali lang. I'm gonna move you. Hold on, sige, it's okay. Kinakabahan siya. Kinakabahan din ako. Sandali lang. Ako na lang. Okay. Yeah. Palakpan naman natin si Angel. Okay, Angel. Nakita mo yung ginawa kanina ni... Ano pangalan mo ulit?
Shasha.
Cheska?
Shasha.
I'm gonna ask you to just be still. We're gonna experiment. Ano bang weight mo? Just kidding. Close your eyes. Hands up. Music, please. Like this. Just relax, okay? Relax. Close your eyes.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God.
Relax.
Galing!
Open your eyes. Stand up. Palakpakan naman natin siya. So we're gonna do something special, okay? Palakpakan natin si Angel. Hindi niya alam kung ano nangyari sa kanya. Now, we're gonna do something. Do you play cards? Do you play cards? Before we end, I have a deck of cards here, okay? Okay, lahat sila magkakaiba. I'm gonna ask you to pick one. Any card that you want. Pick one. Show it to the camera. Now, Angel, I'm gonna ask you to write down your PIN number na ATM mo. Hindi, wala. Hindi, sige. Pangalan mo na lang. Sulat mo, Angel. Lakihan mo. Palakpakan naman natin siya. Good. Okay, can you stay to the other side? Can you show it to the camera? That's her card, right? Now, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna, do you know how to blow on it? You know what happens pag hinipan yung card? Natutuyo yung tinta. Okay? Now, Angel, stand straight. Camera, look at the card. Zoom in. Okay, that's her card. That's your card. I'm gonna take the card, Angel, and then I'm gonna fold it, bend it, and then I'm gonna ask you to open your mouth and bite on it. Bite. Put your hands down. Look at me. Let's give her a round of applause. That's okay. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do the same thing. I have a card. This is 2 of diamond. My name is JB. Don't touch it. JB. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna blow it, and this is my card. Tama na? I'm gonna take the card, I'm gonna fold it as well, and then I'm gonna bend it and place it in my mouth. Good? All the cards go inside the box. Hold my hand. My card and your card. When I was young, place it back in your mouth. Sino yung nakaparod ng Bagets? The movie. Okay, never mind. Ah! Music, please. When I say go, look at me and smile. Look down. Go.
Did I say
I did not kiss you. That is your card. Hold on. Watch this. Zoom in. Camera. And the card inside my mouth is. Come here. And open the card. Take it out and show them the card inside her mouth is. It's my card. God bless you. Let's give her a round of applause. my finale. Come in, join me. Yay! I need another. Come on, come on. Let's do some. Come on, come on. Sino ba dito?
Julian, sali ka, Julian.
Join me to Jamie, come on. Yay! Here, everybody. Yeah, it's okay. Kids, come on, kids.
Sali ka,
Let's go.
Go there, Julian.
Sige na. Kids. Ay, hindi pala. Okay, o sige, sige, pwede na sila. Hold on. I'm gonna stand here, I'm gonna sit here. Okay na dito? Okay, kami.
Julian,
All
go
of
there.
you, here. Dito kayo sa kabilang side, para dito ako sa kabilang.
Ayun.
Come here, come here. Huwag niyo katakpan sa camera. Hey, come here. It's okay, come. Okay, okay. Picture. Okay, thank you very much. Hold on. Sandali lang, dyan lang kayo, dyan lang kayo.
Ate pang picture. Oo, na-picturean ka na.
Here.
Si Juju.
Huh? Not yet done? Okay, listen. When I was a kid, I have a dream. Do you have a dream? Yeah. Who here wants to be an actor when they grow up? Yung gusto maging artista, taas kamay. Wala? Sino gusto maging doktor? Sino gusto maging doktor? Sino gusto maging Captain America? Sino gusto maging Superman? Ikaw, ano gusto mo maging? Ha? Gusto niya maging Spider-Man? Ikaw, ano gusto mo maging? Iron Man, ikaw, ano gusto mo? Fireman, gusto niya maging fireman? Ikaw? He wants to be a pilot. You? Engineer. When I was a kid, I have a small dream. I live in Malabon. Close tayo, ha? Sabi ko sa nanay ko, Nay, I want to see a snow. And then my mom said, pikit mo yung mata mo, punta ka sa loob ng kusina at mag-imagine ka. So pumasok ako sa loob ng kusina, nakapikit yung mata ko at nag-imagine ako. Pagdilat ng mata ko, nakakita ko ng tissue paper. Hawak mo, hawak mo. Hawak mo. Hawak? Okay lang. Hawak lang. Sige, okay lang. Okay, yan. Tapos, sabi ko, imagine, gusto ko makakita ng snow. Paano ko mangyayari yun sa tissue paper? So I close my eyes and then I imagine snow. Oy! I fold the paper like this, and I fold it again, and then I tear a small piece, and then I blow! Come on, gayahin niyo ako, dali! Mataasan niyo yung tissue! Tapos sabay-sabay, mataas ah! Mataas! Yan! Uy! Nakamalagyan ako! One more! Saka! Sige! Sige! Yan! Uy, laki! And then, come closer! Come here! Come closer! And then look! I open the tissue paper, I open the tissue and show it to them! Wow! The people, they clap! Pumalakpak sila! Snow! Diba? Pero hindi, naawa lang sila eh. Alam natin ng snow was created and were created by who created the snow? It's God. And snow are made of?
Water.
Hindi yellow. Water. Dahil lang, ayun lang ako. Nauuwa ko eh. Everybody, put your tissue inside. Place it inside. Okay, come here.
Uy.
Come here.
Kunin mo na nga siya.
Hawak. Okay, pangkuha. Jem. Ito na, okay? Okay, watch this. Everybody blow. Come closer. Come here. Move here.
Baka madulas ate.
Face the camera. Face them. Ready? You're gonna help me, okay? Put your hands in my hand. Imagine snow. Say snow! give, not every company are doing this for their people.